السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Common sense hi koba. Mer common sense mi program ke emfrota ma episode mi. Mi program olum balalani mi fenna hori by video takung e common sense defy kura video taka kuroko balalafa. In the light of common sense we will be commenting on those. Mi video makes sense kureta balamado.
Of course it's counterintuitive that you can get something from nothing. Of course common sense doesn't allow you to get something from nothing. That's why it's interesting. It's got to be interesting in order to give rise to the universe at all. Something pretty mysterious had to give rise to the origin of the universe. It's exactly what's meant by nothing, but whatever it is, it's very, very simple. And why is that funny?
Well, I think it's a bit funny to be trying to define nothing.
Mihar mi tongkole maja ko ngadi mi heki waka dekki mi heki Richard Dawkins mihar nege farate wakam gawarnama Richard Dawkins ki ei mi arguably hama duniyega mihar me high profile atheist bun idana e dairaga folliye debates hama mi ka talk show takan ara podcast jassa mi he ule mi hedding man high profile atheist mi Richard Dawkins ki den enege wahaka aslu mi bina kuri wahaka ga make sense nukura kame almenge logicum visna kam gawanama make sense nukura kame watiye kodako comment kollama do mihar mideke wahake ki universe ge existence of the universe balaruga mi ena bunani aslo universe came from nothing ne but it is something ne ema manake aslo nothing something nakan hada hedi maslo eti mi honna majavegen kumasalaka hemu vesediye den e hisabun aslo takun de wahake ko sege mediye den mi mawdu almen balala aruga mi aretistunge worldviews on balalenga baje den almen muslimun deke gotuga mi qur'anuga wara safkun mi almenna ayat fennenge buhri e hama science uga mi har gobul qura mi big bang theory ya sama gang ayat eken hama fenna mihiri then big bang theory balakam gawanama ema manaki mi in the beginning there was nothing then everything came from a singularity as the big bang emerged erum would explosion ennong eki vara fast kama light speed over fast speed ge bodu expansion mi expansion ge sababum aslo explosion ge sifa as big bang binan devone then ane em mi big bang ga medu no bodam mi khilaf no ta disputing as ke mi ulani ya then masalenne ekamako a big bang kuring hingi kantatta nota what are the set of events that led to the big bang and what happened before the big bang me suwala jawab dinuga aslo mi science very navve sagiyatuga emi on terega sam warabbar theories tenge bori miga theory en hama mi prove kori fenne hama ekeki wahat deke mawduga ebbek bunani e kuring huri energy thaike then Einstein ge E equals mc square relativity theory ge equation master equation ga tereng eba igende energy matter ya transform kore vidanaka no badal kore vidanaka change kore vidanaka ema air ge here energy condition teke mi for him wegen mi badalu vi energy ta matter ya mi equation ge equal gande farat ke mi da massa ki matter da mi khala harwchi not energy ema egota badaluwane ema energy ta badalu wegen mi ye matter badalu vi ruka mi universe form wegen mi ye then mi kommeswaraka mi ane rawyu oefa ete fo aneka badalu wegen ai scientist unge terega mi hama energy vesnete kuring oti hama natinne evvesechennete ema mi natin eki mi hun aneka mi interpret kura gottafat mi aw gina scientist me har bune ne enes edani aslo edimala natin naki ei ane something naka mi hadan swagota ki quantum vacuum me nuata absolute nothing nekam me bunan eka tire nunan evveseche mi har ahramenge mi universe ufedigen aruga mi ge teren harbe mi kabu mi harme universe ge mi four dimensions mi space and time mi and four dimensions ufedigen mi ai ema mi ki ga limitations tage bes as ge mi ai do ema ega kuri nete mi ge bes ane kame adi universe ge mi hira lost tage bes nete ema elo kommes lost taken horiye ema elos tawge tereng emerge vi then mi Lawrence Krauss was enage fodmana ki ama high profile atheist ene ki was aneka physicist enage fotegge sena bayanko febove eko the quantum vacuum ekam gawanama et unstable wane ege tereng etching emerge vedane එම quantum vacuum මානකි absolute nothing එව්වෙස් එච්චෙන් නෙත්තනෙක්ගේ තෙරෙයින් හම universe emerge වීයේ කුල්ලියක කොම්වෙස් condition තක මේ ෆොරිහම ෆොහුරීම දැස්ලු මීග එබාදේ මස්සල හරමෙන් අස්ලු මේ common sense නොත logically විස්නාකම ගවානම මිජෙහ මාගන් මස්සලේකි ඒක මස්සල හරමස් බුණ ෆාන ඉගේ ගොතන් හම කොම්වෙස් හම absolute nothing නෙක්ගේ තෙන universe හම form වීයේ ඒ හරමස් බුණ නෙකීකේ neතමුගස් තෙරෙන්නේ මේ කවුන උෆදිගෙන් නොත universe උෆදිගෙන් මියයි එම එගබුල් කුරුම් හරමගේ සෙබොයි එකමක තෆාත කීම තෆාත එමි හුන්නා ඒ universe form vi cause kiya dekashannege e cause bune dekashannege e bune den nege sababaki emme fortamas minimmani kalange kunwanakama eti mi bandaf ege macchan emi waga dakkam me fashane em aharmen eves no band ekamaku aharmen visna logically visnime benge ufedi fa etche wakam gawana ufedi farate wanakam gamis laptop mi mezu kommecche ko vies ufedi farate be fennan hudecche sabes do ema mi benu koggen algonu men mi principal benu koggen dakam gawanama e ekkala netum evvesecche net tanegga universe kullekam ufedi ekam gawanama ufedi farate wane de waki gode nubunama iya do ema ufedi farate wane me faratu mi universe mi ufedi den e gode ki kon farate to balan kuda kon hanekka sama deductive argument kan no logically visnalama do balala ruga halmen universe form wegen diegota balaruga wara fine tune universe do earth billions earth atmosphere billions adi ufedigen star taka mi tari mi hando mi planets adi hama condition ta adi duniya higa magota halmen insanu hasigan mi horiya kamaka balale mi geni set of me decisions make kurif wakan universe ane ufedigen eruga randomly before ikandattake non kammi ema decisions that can make kurakam gawanama it should have that cause should have a personality aharmengi mona personality ya eggo novies kommes kala personality hunnam wane ema personality hunnakam gawanama evani beenakam e cause wani kommes farataka kommes beenakam de e cause ge reality on balalakam gawanama arunmen mikani space and time ofedigen miyai universe ofedigen eruge ehem vejjiyamu mi nature not universe mikani nature ema mi nature ge beruga space and time ge beruga farataka fry wami cheni ehem vama mikani a supernatural being neke ahema mi space and time almengi miude universe ke tere mere limitation tekin e farataka ovegennuwa non nanata do ema eves almen gabul kuranji hekame e faratoge reality almen balalakam gawanama den ituru kamaka balaruga dimi ufede swalaki ema universe ge cause ki eikam gawanama e farai kam gawanam e farai ge cause ki ko bahiye man ke faren ufedi kon faraten hi misuwar men kurakam gawanama universe no ufeden sabaki erundani infinite regress of events sakadani infinity ki reality ga wachenno misalaka numbers no bonama infinite ko numbers ovedane ekamako reality en eti apply kurakam gawanama ne infinity reality ga ane exist no wane emma misalaka bonama universe ge cause ki ko bahiye esuwa kurakam gawanama ebuneveni universe ge cause ki ko bahiye anekas jin kurang universe ge cause ke ko bahiye anekas sam jin kurang universe ge cause ke ko bahiye dehen dam vejjan wan nimen ta do ega mane ki ehen infinite dam vejj kam gawanama universe existed no one ekam harmenna fenna hagigata ki universe has existed em egin ege chaki mege moti single cause ke em a cause ufed different visnuwe a cause that already existed beyond our universe, beyond the space and time, and beyond all the limitations. Am a single cause manaki emme farate. Aneka efara mevani ahramingi mehude limitation takum salame vefa against limitation enne. Aneka it has a personality because it has done personal decisions to make this universe, and that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as we Muslims believe. Emma me hagigatuga many make sense kuragotaki, and we can very clearly say what he just said doesn't make any sense.